Hello, good morning, namaste, and welcome to GS Travel Blog.
So now today I'm gonna present you my second clips of my German tour, and now we are driving to the dam site. I don't know the name of dam site, I forgot it, but there was a dam site, and we are driving here. In front of us there is a long tunnel. It is about 7 kilometers long, 7.35 kilometer. It means 7 kilometers and 0.35 meters. So we are now almost to the dam site. It is in Thüringen. Thüringen is a state, one of the states in Germany. So now here this is the dam site, and we are boarding in the dam site. And due to security, privacy policy, and the security reason, I'm not allowed to take a picture of the people. So here are some people, and I have to ask permission to take a photo at first. It was very nice and wonderful view from the boat. The scene from the boat is very awesome here. We made a round of this dam site. It takes about an hour. Ein wunderschön. And we have also visited the chocolate factory after that, and this is now in the chocolate factory. I've also visited the chocolate factory, how the chocolate factory made the chocolate makes, and how they produce the chocolate in this factory. It was very amazing. After finishing to produce the chocolate are circled like this here. And finally, when the chocolate is finished, then they will pack like this here in a box. And now we are here at the ski hall. This is the artificial ski hall in Thüringen. It is about 800 meters from the elevation. The temperature outside was warm, but inside is 0 degree. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.